video. I'm gonna make this quick because you already know what I'm about to do. But let me just show y'all what I got. I got Easy Go's hair coloring material it's called, but it's hair wax pretty much. But I got it in the color purple, and this is what it looks like. So let me just stop talking. Let's just do this. Let's get into it. The texture of this is like, it feels like a cream, by the way. This is the purple. But it feels like a cream. Really cute though, I'm not even gonna lie. I just can't get over how defined my curls are. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Wow. It kind of looks cool, I'm not even gonna lie. What if I just left my hair half like this? It doesn't look bad, honestly, but we'll see. My hair is fully purple now. That's crazy. I don't know how I feel right now. I kind of like it, but then I'm like, oh my God. But then I'm like, I kind of like, this is bold. This is like, whoa, whoa. But it's kind of like popping. I don't know. Hold on, let me move to a different room real quick. All right, so this is the color, you guys. My hair is still wet right now, honestly. So when this dries, I'm most likely gonna style it. We'll see how I style it. Might just be a bun, a regular bun, honestly. But this is the color. Tell me what you guys think. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.